Welcome to our channel. Today we're sharing 4 effective home remedies to lighten your skin and achieve a fairer complexion naturally. If you're looking for safe and natural ways to brighten your skin, keep watching. Let's get started. Before we dive into the remedies, it's important to understand the basics of skin lightening. Skin tone is determined by melanin, a pigment produced by cells in your skin. Factors like sun exposure, hormonal changes, and age can affect melanin production, leading to darker skin. By using natural remedies, you can reduce excess melanin and achieve a lighter, more even complexion. Remember, these remedies take time and consistency to show results. The first remedy is a classic lemon and honey mask. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid, which have natural bleaching properties. Honey, on the other hand, is a great moisturizer and has antibacterial properties. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: 1. Mix the lemon juice and honey in a bowl. 2. Apply the mixture to your face, avoiding the eye area. 3. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. 4. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Always remember to do a patch test before using lemon on your skin, as it can be irritating for some. Next up, we have turmeric and yogurt paste. Turmeric has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its anti-inflammatory and skin brightening properties. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which helps exfoliate and lighten the skin. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Instructions: 1. Combine the turmeric and yogurt to form a smooth paste. 2. Apply the paste to your face and neck. 3. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. 4. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Apply this paste 2 to 3 times a week to see a gradual improvement in your skin tone. Be cautious with turmeric as it can stain your clothes and skin temporarily. Aloe vera gel is our third remedy. Aloe vera is known for its soothing, moisturizing, and skin lightening properties. It can help reduce dark spots and even out your skin tone. Ingredients: fresh aloe vera leaf or pure aloe vera gel. Instructions: 1. Extract the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf or use store-bought pure aloe vera gel. 2. Apply the gel directly to your face and massage gently. 3. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. 4. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Use aloe vera gel daily for the best results. It's gentle enough for everyday use and can greatly improve your skin's texture and tone. Our final remedy is the papaya and honey mask. Papaya contains an enzyme called papain, which helps exfoliate and lighten the skin. Combined with honey, it can give you a brighter and more even complexion. Ingredients: half a cup of mashed ripe papaya, 1 tablespoon of honey. Instructions: 1. Mash the papaya until smooth and mix in the honey. 2. Apply the mixture to your face and neck. 3. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. 4. Rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry. Apply this mask 2 to 3 times a week for optimal results. Papaya is not only good for your skin, but also packed with nutrients that benefit your overall health. While using these remedies, it's also important to follow these tips to maintain fair skin. Sunscreen. Always wear sunscreen with at least SPF 30 to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin hydrated and healthy. Diet. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits and vegetables to provide your skin with essential nutrients. Gentle care. Avoid harsh chemicals and treatments that can damage your skin. Consistency and care are key to achieving and maintaining lighter, healthier skin. Thank you for watching. We hope you found these home remedies helpful for lightening your skin naturally. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more beauty tips and natural remedies. See you in the next video.